and welcome back to another vlog. Look who is here to welcome you guys. Marwa, come here. So he has his treats in there. That's why he went there, but I'm not gonna give him any right now because he already got one. For breakfast, I am having some cantaloupe and 2 slices of bread with butter. I already gave Mayank his coffee and his big bottle of water, and I also filled my big bottle of water for the day. So we're good here. And today we're gonna make lunch. I'm gonna show it to you what we're making. It's very simple, but the whole combination that will come together is going to be so delicious. So I'm very excited to share it with you guys. Mara, come baby, I'm not gonna give it to you right now. Today it's my first day of 32 weeks. That means I am in my 8th month right now, and I feel good. I feel amazing. Oh, the sun is in this spot right here, but yeah. Dal recipe, I'm using a brown masoor dal, and what I'm doing is I boiled the dal here in the instant pot, and in a separate pan I added ghee. So normally I add butter, but I was talking to my dad this morning. I told him what I'm making for lunch, and he said instead of ghee, try butter. This time it tastes really good with that. So I was like, oh fine, let's try it. So I added butter, 2 whole dried red chili, cumin seed, and I'm gonna add onion and that I chopped, onion and garlic, and I'm gonna pan fry them until they leave the fragrance and they're caramelized. And then I just add salt and very tiny bit of red chili powder. That's it. And then I add the dal to it, boil it, and dal is done basically. Alright, this is how the dal looks. I just added the dal and some water to it, and I'm gonna cover it with a lid and let it just boil and absorb all the flavor. On the other pan I have some mustard oil, and then I just cut up eggplant, added salt, chili powder, and what did I add? And turmeric. And then I just mix it up, and I'm gonna pan fry them in here. Eggplants look like this when you fry them, and I'm just frying the last 4. This is all done. Dal is all done over here, and rice is ready here. I cut up some salad, which is also ready, and I'm just gonna microwave the leftover pumpkin that we made, and lunch is ready. So basically tomorrow is Halloween party here that we are going to. Nitish and Ashley are hosting it, and we're doing like a potluck and also dress up. So we're gonna dress up tomorrow. I'm not gonna say what we're becoming right now because they might see this video and they might know what we're becoming. It's gonna be a surprise. So in tomorrow's vlog, you're definitely gonna see what we are dressing up as. And For potluck, we are taking graveyard. Hold on, we are taking graveyard chocolate mousse and what do I call the other one? Ghost. No, let's see. It's basically gonna be chicken curry and mini naans, ghost naans, and chicken curry. Curry is gonna look like blood. So yeah, just comment below and let me know what should I name that. I wanted it to look like something related to Halloween, the food, so that's what we are doing. And I'm gonna prep the chocolate mousse today because it needs to chill in the fridge for 24 hours, so it's gonna be perfect tomorrow. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Mayank is off work, so he is helping me prep dessert for tomorrow. And because
excuse me, I'm making the dessert for tomorrow.
He is making the dessert
while she's making a bread.
Yeah, while I'm baking the bread, because we are going for dinner at Nitish and Ashley's place, just you know, like that. Casual. So they got this bread mix from where?
They went to Helen, Georgia.
Yeah, they went to Helen, Georgia, and they got this bread mix. So she's making pasta. I'm just gonna make this bread and take it over there. That is the plan. Yeah. So I'm just gonna bake it because it needs an hour to bake.
Sugar. Is the water done, baby?
Yes. Just good. Oil done? Oil. I'm just gonna bake it in the bread loaf.
Which oil do you need?
It's good. Thank you. Alright, the batter is ready here, and then it says that pour butter over the batter. 1/4 cup of butter over the batter and let it set before baking it. So it came with the instructions over here. It's Italian herb beer bread mix, but instead of beer I'm using soda because I can't drink beer right now. So yeah, that's what I did, and I'm just gonna let it rest for 15 minutes and then put it in the oven. The final step for the mousse is going on, mixing the heavy whipped cream in the chocolate and egg white mixture. Oh my god, it looks so good. And you guys are gonna love it when we finish it off and show you how the end results look. It's just gonna be so beautiful.
Okay guys, so basically Tanya is using the restroom. We are just done with Marvel, and the mousse is in the fridge setting up. You will know tomorrow how everything came out and what else are we making to take for the party, Halloween party. And Tanya baked a bread that is in here. I haven't even tasted it. We are taking it to Nitish and Ashley's place. They are making the pasta, we are bringing the toast, and we are just gonna have a nice dinner, casual dinner. We meet every other day, kind of, and then that's it.
Here is white sauce pasta with some chicken and the bread, and all these people over here.
See you in the next vlog, Halloween vlog for tomorrow. Until then, bye.